Hello guys, Exeter here and welcome to Mistranslated venting gas. This is what it will look like. As you can see, the buttons seem to have different letters on them. And I think it looks vaguely different from a normal venting gas. So first of all we need to find what language the buttons are in, which will be in the order no, yes. NS corresponds to C and no. So our buttons are in Spanish, meaning that I'll explain it as soon as I've done this one. So, switch to normal means normal is both buttons function as yes is yes and no is no. Switch means yes is no and no is yes. You only ever have to calculate this once because it stays the same throughout the rest of the bottom. Where you find this in this table, you come down to this table using the prompt, okay, the written thing, so in this case springen, which is detonate. And if you get change, it means do the opposite of what you got from this table. So this one, we got normal, but it's changed. So instead, it's switched. So springen, we would normally say no, but in this case we say yes. Change, of course, meaning go from normal to switched, which is explained up here. So that's one example. Let's do another example. If you can see in that case, the prompt was in German, and the options and the buttons were in Spanish. This one, the buttons are in English, so we're starting with switched. Let's wait for it to activate. And we're going to get provoke an explosion, which is detonate in French. So our prompt is in French. And then our options are in English. And it's guaranteed that these two are going to be the same. But so in English, and a French prompt with the English options mean change it. So these are actually just normal. So no. And there we go. We now know what we're doing again. So this one's just going to function normally, but of course with the prompt in French and the options in English. So let's wait for it to activate again. So you have to calculate this once, meaning we're going to have normal here. So we have normal, remember? So do we want to cause an explosion? No. So that was Mistranslated venting gas. This is a nice one because you only have to figure out the quirk of it the first time and then just do it like a regular venting gas, just with slightly messed up, sort of interchanged instructions. So you could be doing it with the prompts in German, but your options are in Spanish, for example. Hopefully you understand how Mistranslated venting gas works now, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Oh, hold on. This is another familiar face, by the way, and as you can tell by the name of it, it's based on venting gas. That's the only thing I want to say as well. Hopefully you understand how this works. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.